This video provides information on using fire mode on the Commander S and configuring a digital input to activate fire mode using Marshal. Fire mode can be activated by a 24-volt signal to a digital input. When the signal is active, the drive will run at a fixed fire mode reference frequency, and motor overload and thermal protection are disabled, as well as a number of drive protection functions. Fire mode is provided for use only in emergency situations where the safety risk from disabling protection is less than the risk from the drive generating an error. The use of fire mode itself causes a risk of fire from overloading of the motor or drive, so it must only be used after careful consideration of the balance of risks. To configure fire mode via Marshal, select Connect from the Marshal homepage and scan the top of the drive. This will open your drive dashboard, and you want to select the I/O tool, select your digital I/O setup, and select a spare digital input. Digital input 1 by default has no given function. Select fire mode from the list, select OK, and apply when you exit the tool. To set your fire mode reference, navigate to Parameters. Fire mode reference is set in parameter menu 2, parameter 27. This will be the frequency the drive will run when fire mode is activated. Click Apply, then select Menu Options and Write to Drive. This will now be complete and the drive can run as normal. And then you can trigger fire mode by selecting your digital input, and the drive will accelerate or decelerate to your fire mode reference. While the signal is active, all other signals to the drive are ignored. When fire mode is deactivated, when the signal is removed, the drive will run as normal. If there was an error while fire mode was active, this will be shown on the display. Find more information on fire mode in the Commander S user guide.